In this session we're going to look at substituting the graphics in our game. What I've done here is actually create a little triangle with a fill effect, and we need to turn this to make it a graphic we can use in our game. We have to convert it from being a bitmap into a movie clip. So we're going to go up and convert to symbol, and we're going to turn it to a movie clip, and I'm going to call it, rather than folder, we're going to call it ship. And it's going to be a movie clip. And the reference point at the moment is the top. What we can actually do is move it to the middle. So our reference point is in the center of this, which is here at the moment, because it used to be a square. And click OK. Now you notice that ship's actually part of our action script now. And in here we can actually give it a name. So I'm going to call it MC ship to be more in line with our naming conventions. So what we need to do now is go through our code and find any reference to folder and change it to MC ship. So I'm going to head into our action pane. Before I do that, I'm just going to delete this now because we don't need that on the stage because it's now in our library. Now, in our code, you'll remember from before that we come in here. This sets up our global variables. Then we can move into the actual game itself. So anywhere there is the folder, we need to find this. Now we should be able to do find what, and we want to find folder, and we can actually do a replace, and we can actually replace it. And I want to match the case. So let's go find next. This takes a little bit of time. So var enemies folder equals new folder. So we want to change that. We want to replace that, and we want to replace that one. Also with the drop enemy, we want to change those. And also we need to change that one, and if it's dropped, and that should conclude what we're looking for. So it can't find any more. So now what we've just done there is substituted those two graphics. So let's see if it's worked. Now I've got rocket ships falling from the sky. So at any time we can actually change what the graphics are quite simple. If I wanted to change the actual bar itself into a force shield or something like that, you could do so. But once again, you got to remember when you change the graphics, the hit states also alter as well. Alright, so there's an easy way of substituting graphics with a find and replace.